Manunod ba kayo ng Hold Me Close?
Yes!
Ito na si Kaloy.
Maayong gabi. Merry Christmas to everyone. Maraming salamat sa mga punta tonight. And actually, Cebu talaga, isa sa mga pinaka-favorite cities ko na
Now showing in cinemas!
Alright, thank you. This is Cindy, right? Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Maayong gabi. Tama ba yun? Space on our right side, so they will also have a chance. Okay, so I'd like to share a few reminders to our guests. Halo Halo Radio, Cebu Parkland Hotel, Cebu Parkland International Hotel,
Guys, so pretty.
Yogurino,